and within my locality here also. Whereas I have seen my friends who are currently doing the construction side and they are actually going with the local vendor. So in terms of designing, I felt I made the right decisions to go ahead with the buildAhome. Even if I had any issues or if I wanted to do some changes, that was taken care very promptly on that part. I think in the last 1 year, I hardly visited one or twice a buildAhome office. My name is Deepak Kumar. I came to Bangalore in 2008. I did my MBA from here, but I am originally from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. So I'm actually working for one of the IT MNC company. I used to stay in one of the rented house in Hebbal. I got this land in 2020. Since then, I've been thinking to construct my own house. So I have seen one house next to me was constructed by buildAhome only. It was a small house, but the way it was executed in terms of designing and elevation, I liked it somehow. So this building is G+2. The property size is 28 by 40. In terms of designing and elevation, I was quite satisfied because each and every area was fully utilized. Car parking, honestly, there are 2 cars can easily park in that. Even I have one BHK house which I have given for a rental as well. And then you will also have 2 or 3 bikes can also be parked along with the car. We have ample of ventilation and windows. I may not have to switch on the light in the daytime because of ample amount of ventilation. Comparatively to other house, it's bigger window, considering the skylight as well. I really don't feel, even if the power is not there, I really don't feel that it's suffocating or I need power in the daytime. So it's ample amount of ventilation, I think it's been given in this design. Initially, I was thinking that my puja room is a little small, but it's quite big compared to other what I have seen. And I never wanted my puja rooms to be deep inside it, right? It's a wider actually in terms of. So for doing puja, even 3 people they can easily sit inside. They can do the puja. Kitchen it's also quite decent in terms of the land size. The area of kitchen is very good. I can easily place my 6 dining table there. But still I decided to keep outside because I'm going to do a lot of interior work there inside. So I'm quite happy with the kitchen, including the utilities area. It's quite big. And next to kitchen there is a guest room. Basically I wanted that guest room to be allocated to my parents when they will come, so they can stay in that room. And then second floor I kept 2 rooms, one for master bedroom for myself, and then there is another room I constructed for my elder son. So that's it, dedicated for him. So he used to play there, he used to watch movie if he wants. So generally it belongs to him. Owning a house in a city like metro city like Bangalore, it's a dream for everyone. Honestly, I didn't have that dream when I came here in Bangalore, but everything has to be evolved over the period of time. And then I got this intuition, no, I can have this house. And then luckily I got this land as well. So it's like a miracle happens. I didn't realize how it happens, and now I look back, the 1 year back, it's very difficult to imagine that I'm owning my own house here in Bangalore. It's a proud moment for everyone, I guess. So Bunny, let's build a home.